If you're seeing Epic Games error code 2753, don't worry. This usually means the installer is being blocked, or it doesn't have the right permissions to complete setup properly. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help you get the Epic Games Launcher installed cleanly, and I'll also show you an extra cleanup step at the end in case a broken leftover folder is causing the issue. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Now let's get straight into it. First, go ahead and download the latest installer file from the official Epic Games download page. It's always best to use the newest version from the source, because older files can sometimes fail or trigger unnecessary install errors. Once the installer is downloaded, don't just double-click it right away. Instead, we're going to launch it with administrative privileges, so Windows Installer has the access it needs. Press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, don't panic. Just look at the top of the window and click the Run New Task button. This is important because it lets us manually start the installer in a cleaner way than a normal double-click. When the pop-up appears, click Browse. Now navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you save the Epic Games installer package. At the bottom right of the file window, you'll see a file type filter drop-down. Change that from Programs to All Files. This is a small but important step, because sometimes the installer file won't show correctly unless the filter is changed. After that, select the Epic Games Launcher installer file and click Open. Before you launch it, make sure you check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. This is the key part of the fix, because error code 2753 can happen when the installer can't make the changes it needs to system services or installation components. Once that box is checked, click OK to open the setup wizard cleanly. From here, let the installer run normally and see if the issue is resolved. In many cases, starting the installer this way is enough to get past the error and continue the installation without interruptions. If it works, great, you're done with the main fix. But if you still run into problems, there's one more cleanup step you should try. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run window. In the box, type %localappdata%, then press Enter. This opens your local app data folder, where Epic Games may have stored leftover installer files or partial launcher data. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Epic Games Launcher, or anything similar that says Epic Games. If you find it, right-click the folder and choose Delete. This can help remove corrupted files that may be interfering with the installer and causing error code 2753 to appear again. After deleting the folder, you can try running the installer one more time using the administrator method we covered earlier. That's it. You've now gone through a practical fix for Epic Games error code 2753 by launching the installer with admin rights and removing leftover local files if needed. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.